Hello, welcome to Kaluki Creatives. My name is Susan. I share tips, tutorials, and inspirations on visual design. So if you find this video engaging or helpful, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be showing you how to blend a text on any image. As you can see, I had already imported my image. So now I'm going to add a text. I usually use the artistic text tool, but you can also use the frame text tool. Now let me just add a text, let's say a blend, because that's what you're going to do, and then resize it. Yeah, I think this is okay. Our text is ready and it's time to blend. So I'm going to go to the blending options, and what I'm going to focus here is the underlining composition ranges. I've never used the source layer, so I don't know what it does, but I'm going to just reduce the opacity just a little bit right there, and add another one here. I think, and then move this one. Just think it's okay. Now if you take a closer, clear look on our text, it has blended only the inner part. I can still see our edges on the text and I don't want to see them. So I'm just going to reset my blending options. Let me just select it, reset, so that you can start again. So what I'm going to do is to go to filters and then look for displace, and I'm going to load map from the layer beneath. So what it's going to do, it's going to blend, to displace based on our background, because it's the layer that is below. So I think 10 pixels is okay, or maybe okay, 10 is okay. Don't wanna do too much. 10 is okay. And we are going to group our layer. I'm grouping because while using Affinity, you cannot add more than one filter on one design. You cannot add more than one filter, so I've grouped it. Now let's go back to our blending options and put the same curve we had earlier. So was it here? Yeah, I think so. So let's just blend it. I think what I love about adding the displacement filter is that even when you change the position of the text, the displacement also changes. We have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding Affinity and you would love to see a tutorial, make sure to leave it on the comment sections.